Hi everyone, it's Sanjeev here again and would like to personally congratulate you for making it to step 4, what you actually see on this page inside the HBA system, right? So that you have made it this far tells me that you are an action taker and ready to change your life. So by now you should have completed step 1 and 2 and also step 3 and got set up with your own page builder, autoresponder and traffic builder. And remember, each of these companies pay you in steps, pays you with recurring income that will allow you to potentially quit your job, right? When I actually started with this awesome system, my main goal was to be making enough money what I was actually making at my day job. When I started making that, then I quit my job basically. So on this account you actually see 9,282. This is one of my small account, but the bigger account I'm actually doing a lot more in volume, right? So if you haven't set up your step 1, 2 and 3, you want to click on the link just under this video which will show step 1 and 2. So once you click on the link below this video, it will bring you to this page here, which is just simply awesome. And basically these are the two creators, Paul and Mike. Very awesome guys, down to earth, very heart-centered community, right? So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna click on yes, I need traffic and sales, because this is the step 1 and 2, which is very important that you're gonna be doing. And if you don't activate this system, you're not gonna be making this amount of money, right? So to do that, you need to set up this step 1 and 2 first. So you're gonna click on this button here, which will actually bring it to this page here. Very simply, you're gonna enter all your details in here, your name, address, your card and everything, right? And you're gonna click on this box here. So after you have ticked that box, you also want to tick this box, and just for $1 trial, right, you can test out this system for about a week, right? And if you don't like the system, you'll get your whole money back, right? So there's actually no risk you're taking, right? You're gonna get your whole $1 back. So after that, place order now, and then you're gonna get access to the system budget I'm gonna be showing you. But also beneath this video there's gonna be step 3 as well. So make sure you click on the step 3, which will actually also bring you to this page. So this is an automated autoresponder where you're gonna be setting it up, and basically the automated system will send emails on your behalf, what I'll actually be sharing with you in the next few videos from now, right? So make sure to also get this sign up for this. And once you have enter all your details and place the order here, then you're gonna get access from the email. The company will send you password, which will actually bring you to this page here. So this is literally the step 4 that you're going to be doing, what I showed you here. So now you're going to be setting up your same card account. Very simply, you're going to go to affiliate zone, and in here, this is the step 4, log into your same card account, because in here the company will send you payments, right? So very simply, you're going to set up this same card, and then after that there should be another link beneath this video which will say connect to me via Facebook. You're gonna click on that and simply connect to me on Facebook. Make sure you done step 1, 2 and 3, and then you want to connect to me on Facebook, so I know you are a action taker and you really want to change your life. So in that instance, I will also get on a call with you and also be adding you in my team group chat, where you're gonna get maximum help and support from me and also from all of my members who are actually inside this HBA system, right? Everyone has a dream, but to actually make the dream come true, you need to take action, and this is a very easy action step for you. step 1, 2 and 3, and step 4 will be also connect to me on Facebook, so that way I can help you and show you my entire marketing plan that I'm actually using to be able to generate this amount of awesome income from my home business academy system. So again, thank you so much. Don't forget to click the link beneath this video. One of the wisest wisdom that I've actually got from someone in the online space, that if you take care of pennies, the dollars will actually take care for themselves, right? And that's the awesome wisdom that I've actually got from one of my mentors. I'm passing it to you. So all of this system actually pays you recurring monthly income, and you just set it up once, and basically you're gonna get paid for life with this awesome system, right? So again, I'm looking forward to connecting to you on Facebook. Let me also quickly share with you what my Facebook profile actually looks like, so you know I'm a real person. So once you click on the link beneath this video, you want to send me friend request, and in here, this is my family, this is my profile, and basically you're gonna connect to me, send me friend request, and also message me, said I have done step 1, 2 and 3, and then after you've done that, I'll actually jump on a call with you just to share what you're gonna do next for you to be generating this amount of awesome income from your home business system. Thank you so much, and my God bless you. God bless you. Bye for now.